Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good at home. Today we're going to see the structure of chromosome. So a chromosome is made up of two major things, which is chromatin protein and the DNA. It has further major portions: euchromatin, heterochromatin, telomere and centromere. The DNA. The DNA can be coding and non-coding. Not all DNA is a coding DNA. Coding DNA forms messenger RNA and ultimately the protein. And this coding DNA is called a gene. The non-coding DNA doesn't form messenger RNA and ultimately not a protein. Euchromatin. It is the light region of the chromosome, the coding region and less condensed region. Heterochromatin. It is the dark region of the chromosome, the non-coding and the very complex and condensed region of the chromosome which is under study. Heterochromatic region that can be defined as heterochromatic region at the end of chromosome which essentially constitute repetitive DNA sequences TTA-GGG. This is the sequences present at the heterochromatic region. Centromere is a specialized DNA sequence of a chromosome that links a pair of sister chromatids. Types of chromosomes by the location of the centromere. Metacentric. The centromere is present in the middle of the chromosome. Submetacentric. The centromere is present near the middle. Acrocentric. The centromere is present near the end. And telocentric. The centromere is present at the end. Acentric with no centromere region and dicentric with two centromere region. This is an extra information. Recent studies have shown that Y chromosome is getting smaller as the generations pass. The female X chromosome is taking over. Thank you.